Hey friends, if you wish to install the Google Meet app on the Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's the thing. There have been a few changes to Google Duo or Google Meet or whatever you want to call it. They have been merged into one. But they had an app for Windows, but the app does not exist. I checked the Microsoft Store for both Google Duo and Google Meet. It wasn't available there, and it isn't only about the Google Meet or the Google Duo app on the Microsoft Store. It is also about the fact that there is no online version for this. Now I checked the official website, and they have a section for computer, which means that it existed, but there's no download button. The download buttons are for Android and iOS, and I went to Android and iOS section. There are download buttons. So here's what you can do. You can go to meet.google.com, and then you can access it online, and this is how you can use the Google Meet app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.